Creating an effective gig title on Fiverr is key to attracting clients. Here's how to write a compelling title. Be specific. Your title should clearly describe the service you're offering. Avoid vague or generic language. Instead of "I will create your design," go for "I will design a professional logo for your brand." Use keywords. Research keywords that buyers are searching for, like SEO, blog writing, or e-commerce website design. Including relevant keywords helps improve your gig's visibility in Fiverr search results, increasing your chances of getting noticed. Highlight unique selling points. If you offer something special, like 24-hour delivery or unlimited revisions, include it. For example, "I will design a custom logo with unlimited revisions." Keep it concise and readable. Fiverr titles have a character limit, so aim to be concise. Use simple language and avoid filler words. Ensure the title is easy to understand at a glance. Test and refine. Analyze the performance of different titles if you're not getting clicks or impressions. Updating the title to reflect popular keywords or industry trends can improve its effectiveness.